If you are wanting to learn how to add a new user to Salesforce, then stick with me for the next 60 seconds and I'll show you exactly what to do. To add a new user to Salesforce, open up Salesforce, log in, and then head to the Setup section by clicking on the gear icon. Once you're in the Setup section, look for the Users item on the left-hand side, and then open. From here, we're going to select New User, and I'm going to create a fictional person in my company called Salesperson. For a username, I'll give them the same email, just with .devorg on the end of that to make it a unique ID. For their role, it doesn't matter in this case. Their user license, I'm going to give them a standard Salesforce license. Their profile will be sales profile, and then I'm going to press save. I now have a new user in my Salesforce org called Salesperson. If you'd like a bit more detail around what role to select, what license, and what profile and permission set, that's covered in a separate video, and I'll include the link to that video in the description of this video.